Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 13th, and this is my pre-market analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold just keeps on drifting up, and as I've been recommending in all my videos, my daily videos, as long as this thing continues to make, higher high swing lows, there is really no reason whatsoever to continue to look for any sorts. Now, I do have some areas of support or resistance coming up, that is. The next area coming up is right here, the 1380 area, but the big area I'd be watching, which is my weekly monthly time frame projection for a wave 3, is the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2 on the weekly time frame. So I think this 161 is a very important area, right around 3,280 to 3,275 probably. And then this lowest support area or resistance area is probably closer to the 3,250 area. Until I see any sort of break of structure to the downside, I would definitely recommend nothing but longs, especially if you look at this on the higher time frames. This is one of the strongest uptrends we have on pretty much any of the pairs that we follow. So don't be fighting the trend, that's for sure, at least until you see a reason to with a nice solid break of structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.